don't know where to start.
This was the kind of storm that left so many people struggling to figure out the best approach back to some sense of normalcy that doesn't include fighting through 1 to almost 2 feet of snow.
This is ridiculous.
Too much snow for you?
Too much, way too much.
Ringwood, Passaic County, New Jersey, one of the many North Jersey towns where at least a foot of snow fell. Here, the total approached 16 inches.
They told me that they were going to ask you to climb up on top of the vehicle.
Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think that's going to happen.
Another challenge, the ping-ponging of snow back and forth between residents and official plow crews. Those trucks usually win, and people end up trying to clear a path when it's all said and done.
At my age, I'm a little tired of it.
I'm with you.
Of course, not everyone considers a storm like this a recipe for back-aching work.
Out yesterday playing in it.
But fatigue and old-fashioned fun and games will have to wait for the dozens of Passaic County road crews who spent all weekend running salt pickups from the salt shed on Route 23 nonstop since Saturday, long before the first snowflake fell.
It is a lot of ground to cover. We have almost 250 miles of road that we have to clear. And the county has 16 municipalities, and they need us to be there to keep the roads clean.
Surely residents on tight residential streets don't want to hear anything about a potential for more snow next weekend. Director Lazara urging everyone to continue staying off the roads because her road crews are still out trying to clear this sprawling Passaic County. We're live in Ringwood this evening. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.